Welcome to our channel Brilliant Career Solution. Today we came with a new update, that is first counseling date published for NEET UG counseling for Uttarakhand State. Registration. Online registration for all eligible as per State Government of Uttarakhand norms and NEET UG 2024 qualified candidates only. Online registration fee and security amount payment by credit, debit card, net banking for all categories. First round of online counseling MBBS and BDS. Online registration, application form, choice filling and fee submission, registration fee and security fee both by the candidates for first round of counseling. The date and time is 21/8/2024 9 am to 26/8/2024 up to 5 pm as per server time. Choice filling by the candidates for first round of counseling 21/8/2024 9 am to 26/8/2024 up to 5 pm as per server time. Data processing. Date is 27/8/2024 and 28/8/2024. Declaration of result 29/8/2024. Last date of joining the allotted college 5/9/2024.
Thank you for watching our video. For more inquiry, you can email or contact us through the number or email ID given in the screen below. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you.